Whether you are just starting in your career or you are looking to make a change, have an overview of pursuing a 3-year undergraduate degree in journalism and mass communication. Chandigarh Group of Colleges, Jhanjeri, which is North India's fastest growing educational institute, is a leader in education, research and entrepreneurship. Here is the evidence: superlative achievements testifying our brilliance. Benefits of considering CGCJ for your B.A JMC course are: as one of the most reputed colleges in India, we have a dynamic network of faculty members, CCPT trainers, students and alumni, so that you never tackle a problem alone. Explore unlimited opportunities to get placed by top and most reputed recruiters, 800 plus companies for placement, 8500 plus placement offers, 45.5 LPA highest package, 1 lakh per month highest stipend. Financial assistance to students under CGC George Scholarship Program worth rupees 10 crores. Innumerable MOUs signed with top-notch companies. Global tie-ups with premier education entities. 45 plus global tie-ups, 15 plus countries, 5 continents, 70 plus programs. After you complete the course, you can opt for a job as public relations officer, radio jockey, special correspondent, news analyst and many more. Are you ready to shape your future with us? Join CGCJ today to start your journey towards an exciting and rewarding career.